This is the dog I was telling you about that is really competing with Marley for the stick. They're going to go and cool off. Oh, that feels good, huh, on a warm day. Yeah. Huh, you guys? Yeah, does that feel good, Marley? Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Woo! Come on. Let's keep going. Come on, guys. They're like, one more dip. Okay. All right, let's go. Uh-oh. What happened there? Oh, now Shadow's trying to get it from him. He says, I got 2 bitches on my ass. Ha! Ha! I would say it, but I'm not going to say it because they're both black, and I will not say it. What? What? Where is it? Get this stick. Get this stick. Oh, we're going to get the stick. Get the stick, Marley. Uh-oh, who's got it? Who's got it? Go get it, Owen. Get it from Anani. Go get it. Go get it. Hi, Shadow. Hey, Shadow. Hi, Petey. You want to go swimming, Petey? Come on, let's go swimming. Let's go swimming. Petey, down here. Go on, Huck. Huck, go swimming. Go on. Go on. Oh, isn't that better? Doesn't that feel better? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop this. Ooh, don't get me wet. Okay, here we go. Stop.